guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to take this quiz. It says we're going to take this quiz is called Are You a Horse or a Donkey? So I'm going to take this quiz. People describe you as the kind of graceful and kind person you want in your life, or one word, stubborn. I'm going to do the kind of graceful and kind person you want in your life. What would you rather do? Be led around everywhere on a halter? Walk around with somebody and carry their things? I'm going to do be led around everywhere on a halter. Where did you or your ancestors come from? Some place in Africa, and then we became famous and were sent all around the world, or all around the world? I'm going to do all around the world. I'm a horse. It says, yep, I'm a horse. It says, you are larger, more graceful, and more willing to work with people. Here we go. So I'm a horse. Here we go. So here is this quiz is called Are You a Horse or a Donkey? Okay, so goodbye and have a good day, and I'll see you later.